Okay, good day. I am from Exile Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Cobel Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am, I don't have any.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy, ma'am. I don't have any issues in my
Okay,
breast.
if you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am, I agree.
Is this your first time working abroad? Sorry.
No, ma'am.
Noah, why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong? They get higher salary than here in Malaysia.
Mm. I just found Malaysia. Um, I just found Malaysia easy to go there. So I choose Malaysia to apply in Malaysia.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. Hi, good afternoon. I'm Opaline Torredino Hortaleza from San Mateo Rizal, 36 years old. And I have a husband. I have four kids, all boys. The first is 17 years old. The second one is 16. The third one was six years old, and the youngest was 5 years old. I am ex abroad. I worked before in UAE as a housemaid also, and I also work in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. But I didn't finish my contract there because I have an emergency here in Philippines. So my employer let me to go home. Then I did not come back. That was last 2016.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you, Opaline, okay? Do you have your passport?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
You mentioned that you are married, is it?
I have a living partner, ma'am, but we
Okay.
haven't married in there.
Okay, when is your birthday?
My birthday is August 30, 1988.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'2" and my weight is 49 kilos.
What is your religion?
My religion is Catholic.
What is your educational background?
My educational background was I am college level, only first year I didn't finish my study. I am undergraduate,
In what course?
Bachelor of Science in Office Administration.
Okay, so you mentioned that you got four children and you
Yes,
have your
ma'am.
live-in partner. So
Yes,
your live-in partner is their father, correct?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your live-in partner occupation and how old is he?
He is 41 years old and his work was a driver.
Okay, so who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother and my sisters.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is a simple housewife, and my and she doesn't have occupation. She stays at home
How old is
with my
she?
sisters. She's 59 years old.
What about your father?
My father was 61 years old,
What is
and he
his
is a carpenter.
carpenter? How many brother and
Yes,
sister do you have?
I have five sisters and I have three brothers.
What is your rank in your family?
I am the third.
Okay. So is your family allow you or your live-in partner also allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, they do allow me to go abroad.
We don't have problem later.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you know what you are up to, right? You are applying as a domestic helper. You know that
Yes,
domestic
ma'am.
helper is very tough, knowing that you will be working quite far away from your family and you stuck also in the Philippines for quite some time and now you are reapplying to work as a domestic helper, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So in your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2012 to 2015 in
Yes, ma'am.
UAE. You worked there for 3 years, is it?
2 years and 6 months.
2 years and 6 months. Can you share
Yes,
it
ma'am.
with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in UAE?
Um, my duties there in UAE was first, I had to take care of the kids. They had 3 kids. The first one was 4 years old. The second one was 2 years old, and the third one was newborn. I was there until he became 6 months old. That time, when the baby was newborn, I am the one who took care of him. And my other duties are cleaning the home, cooking food for them, and bring kids to the nursery.
Did you do laundry and ironing at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I do.
Okay. So after 2015, you worked in KSA way back 2016 until 2016. In what month did you started? And what month did you finish you terminate your contract here?
I started there March 2016, and
Until
I go home until November 30, I think. I worked there for 8 months only.
what happened?
Oh, ma'am, my employer allowed me to go home because I have an emergency here in Philippines.
What kind of emergency?
Uh, my my son had an accident, and it was so serious, so I had to go home, and they let me.
Okay, did you compensate your employer because you go back home in the Philippines and you didn't finish your 2 years contract?
Um, my employer chose not to give them or give them back what they gave me, but they let me to buy my own ticket to go home. That's
Okay.
the only thing you need to do.
What are your duties to your previous employment in KSA?
There, I didn't take care of kids because they don't have small kids. They are all grown up. They are four. I just have to wake up early in the morning to make breakfast and food for bringing to school, bringing them for school. And in the morning when they are all outside, they're in work in the school and the other kids, I have to clean the house, cook for them lunch, and also do the laundry.
You do ironing also.
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Okay. So after 2016, do you have any working experience or you just been a full-time mother?
I have work experience, ma'am.
In which country or is it in the Philippines?
Only here in the Philippines, ma'am. I
What
work
is
as
your
a
working
promoter.
you work as what?
I work here as a promoter of brand promoter in the grocery stores, something like that.
How many
I do
years you
promote.
work there?
I work for 2 years in a grocery store, and also I work as a cashier.
Okay, what year did you started and what year did you finish working as a brand promoter?
Mm. I started 2016, no, 2017, January 2017. I worked until 2019.
After 2019, you've been working as what?
I worked as a cashier here in a
How
small
many
store.
years?
1 year only, ma'am.
2019 until 2020, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
After 2020 until recently, you are a full-time mother, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it's not new for you being a domestic helper as you already got working experience, okay? You need
Yes,
to
ma'am.
be multitasking, you need to be flexible. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time? Okay. Can you take your elderly or children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. I can.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay to take? Are you comfortable to take care pets?
Yes, signal was.
It's okay. Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
You have pets here.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. I do. I do
Okay,
po.
so you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract or terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. I
Usage of mobile
understand.
handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone in the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. But if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with these rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I'm good with it.
Okay, as we have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, then you can come, don't give us problem. But if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find another job opportunities to other countries, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, in Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations, and we need to respect the employer's culture also at the same time. Any problem, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Excel agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you so
Thank
much and
you.
have a good day. Bye.